Good evening, everyone. Myself Mopriya Rai. Today, here I discuss about maps in Golang. In previous session, I will discuss about what is Golang. Golang is a programming language which is designed by Google. It is a statically typed compiled language that is designed to be easy to read and write, and also to be efficient and scalable on modern hardware. Okay, so today I just show you maps, how to create a map in Golang. First of all, I write a package name like main package. And inside this main package, I import fmt package. Then I write function main function. I write a variable like subject. Then create a map. Firstly write map, then use third bracket. Inside this third bracket, I declare data type. Which data type I want? So now I want to use string, string, and then write another data type. And inside this parenthesis, I write key and values. Firstly, I say that Go has multiple ways for creating maps. And in Golang, maps are used to store data values in key and value. Each element in a map is a key and value. And a map is an unordered and changeable collection that does not allow duplicates. And the default value of a map is nil. So inside this parenthesis, I write down key and value. So I choose this key string type. So I write down the double quotation. Inside the double quotation, first write like Golang and use this colon. Then write value like 24, then comma, then another key like Java, then write colon, then put this value like 25, then I print this uh, with the help of fmt package fmt.print ln, and inside this I call this variable like subject, and then run this program. Okay, so here I import this fmt package fmt, then run this program. Okay, here some error. See, this is map created, and look this output map. Inside this key Golang 24, and Java value is 25. Okay, so this is the way we created a map in Golang. Then I show you another way, uh, like how to access a value in map. We can also access the value of a map by using corresponding key. Like here I write this. I want to access this uh, Golang value. Inside this fmt println function, uh, I declare a variable, and inside I write down third bracket. Using third bracket, inside this I uh, write down this key like Golang. I just want to show this value, Golang value. Okay, so then run this program. See, Golang value is 24. Okay, so this is the way to access value in map a map in Golang. Then I change when I change this value or update this value. So this time, what can I do? First, I uh, uh, write down here a variable name like subject, which is already created. Then I call this key like Golang, and inside this third bracket I paste it. Then I change the value like integer type, so I write down like 30 and print this only subject variable. So run this program and see here Golang value is changed. Firstly, it is 24. Then I updated this 30. Okay, so this is the way we can change value of a map in Golang. Okay, another one is uh, when I add any element, those all are called as a element. So when I want to add any new element, so this time what can I do? So I show you. I just write down another example. I show you another example, like student, and this sign also use uh, created a variable in Golang. Then I created a map, and inside this I use integer type data type. I want to integer type key, and value is string type. Then I use parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, I add this key and value. First, I write down key. So key is a integer type. I write 1, then colon. Then I use quotation. Inside this quotation, I write down uh, like Habra. Then another one like 2. Then uh, write down like Kolkata. We have changed this variable like student. You can see when run this program, it is showing 1 Habra, 2 Kolkata. So inside this I add any other element. So this time I write down like student variable, which is I use, and then inside this third bracket I write integer type key. I already I use this 1 and 2. So here I use like 4 and equal to. Then I write another name like like Barashat. I add any another one student inside this third bracket like 6. Uh, he is 6, and then like Datta Pukur. And copy this. Here I show some messages like initial map, here I add another message like updated map and run this program. See, uh, first is initial map, which is included one Habra and two Kolkata. Then updated add this element, so it's one Habra, two Kolkata, then four Barashat, then six Dattapur. So element in those element is added in our map. Okay, so this is the way to add element in Golang. Then when I want to any one element is deleted, so this time I write down same things. Just here I use delete function. I cut these two lines, and here I use uh, delete delete. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so I use deleted function. Inside this delete function, I declare a variable like student. Then I want which element I want deleted. So this like Habra. So write down here Habra. Habra is deleted. So then run this program. Okay. Uh, Here I write key like one. I want to delete this one key and thus value. Run this program. Here you can see firstly it is one Habra, then two Kolkata. Then it's updated, means I use delete function. With the help of delete function, I delete this one Habra in this map. Okay, so this is the way to delete any element in this Go language. Okay, so I discuss another one with the help of looping. Uh, we can use range loop for range loop, and each with the for range loop to iterate through each element of the map. For example, I show you. I create um, another variable like a demo, and this variable sign. Inside this I write map, and inside I use key, integer type key. Okay, and value also in integer type. Then I use parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis I write down like one, then colon, then one is value 5. Okay, so I write another like 2, 4, then 3 9, then 4 16, another one is like 5, then 25. And then I use for range loop. So firstly I write for, then I declare this key, means all key is integer type, so here I write key, then comma, then write value, and use this variable sign. Inside this I write range and declare this demo variable, because I use demo variable. Inside this demo variable I write this key and values. Okay, so then I use parenthesis, and in this parenthesis, then inside this I use another function like printf. Uh, then I write some messages like squared of, then I use %d. So %d is a declare integer data type is %d. Here I choose integer type key and value, so that's why here I use %d and %d. Then it means a new line, created a new line. When it printed, it created a new line. Then I declared those variable like key and value. Key, then value. Okay. So then run this program. You can see square root of 2 is 4, the square root of 3 is 9. Those all are printed. 2 is a key and 4 is a value. So I created a message like the square root of, so here you can see square root of 2 is 4, square root of 3 is 9, the square root of 4 is 16, then the square root of 5 is 25. Okay, so this is the way we created a map in using for range loop. This is a for range loop. Okay, so those all about Go map. So today my demo is done.